song is stunning and you guys look absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Was there a conscious thing to recreate something kind of a Govinda Karishma kind of a chemistry?
I think I'm going to let Pariniti answer this.
Yeah. We'll be very honest. Yes, that was really like that's what we wanted to do. You know, he's very energetic. I have a lot of energy, not as much as him, of course. But I think for him and I to do something in this space seemed to be the best idea. And also, Dishum already has a couple of songs which are, you know, so different in their vibe. So, you know, the third song had to be different and had to be, you know, us, I think. I think we both were a perfect fit for this world. And of course, Ahmed sir, you know, wanted the performance and, you know, the expressions which, of course, we used to see in the 90s. So, yeah, we tried. I don't know if we're going to be killed for it, but we tried our best.
It's got a little bit of that 90s ka wo theme hai, wo dhak, 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 dhak. That beat is like that. And I think Pariniti, me, and I think a lot of you all, we've all grown up on it. हम लोग सब ने सुना है. तो वो पसंद बहुत आता है. वो मतलब मेरे तो खून में है. तो I think वो सुनते ही मैं अपने आप हिलने लगता हूँ हमेशा.
या इसको सेट पे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मिस्टर वरुण धवन को इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस बहुत पसंद है. And मैं सोचती थी कि मैं spontaneous actor हूँ.
What was the improvisation on set? Tell them.
You should tell them.
You should tell them. What happened to you?
You just were like dying to.
Oh, was that? There's एक छोटी improvisation है इसमें क्योंकि
छोटी नहीं है. छोटी इसके हिसाब से.
Kiss is a peck. I mean, it's not a kiss. So.
Yeah, no, 1 second. I will tell you the story. Please understand.
गाना में बोला है कि 2 साल में हो गए तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे में.
No. मैं सच बताना चाहती हूँ सबको कि हम लोग 2 दिन हमने रिहर्सल की. हमें लगा you know full on डांस नंबर है, बहुत मेहनत करनी चाहिए. अब हम सेट पर हैं. मैं वैसे ही बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बॉडी शॉट्स चल रहे हैं. मैंने बहुत कम खाना खाया हुआ था, मैंने पानी नहीं पिया हुआ था. एंड सडनली यहाँ से आवाज़ आती है कि हम लोग किस करें क्या. What? नहीं, कहाँ से, क्यों? एंड रोहित वॉज नॉट ऑन सेट. रोहित जैसे ही सेट से निकला, वीडी को ये ब्रेन वेव आया कि मैं आज परिणीति को किस करूं. तो पहले 1-2 टेक्स हमने ट्राई किया कि हम लोग थोड़ा फेक करते हैं, यू नो, हम लोग ऑफ कैमरा चले जाएंगे या ऐसा कुछ. हमने ये मेरे
परिणीति ने बोला कि यू कांट डू ऑल दिस इन टुडेस डे एंड एज. इफ यू वांट टू किस देन किस मी फुल ऑन. अभी मैं क्या करूं?
I was dying to kiss you.
भोला लड़का अभी ऐसे कोई बोलेगा तो
नहीं तो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग इंक्लूडिंग जो हमारे कोरियोग्राफर थे वो शॉक्ड थे पहले टेक के बाद क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं था हम लोग ये करने वाले. सो वी हैड लाइक दिस फुल स्टेप एंड एक 1 शॉट चल रहा था, ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक मोमेंट, एंड एट द एंड देयर वाज सडनली अ किस. सो आई थिंक इवन द डांसर्स, अहमद सर, एवरीबडी वाज इन शॉक कि ये क्या हुआ. एंड आई हैड टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर दैट इट वाज हिज आइडिया एंड नॉट माय आइडिया. Vidi, what is the reason that you wanted to kiss me? Please tell everybody.
Said in my ear that Varun, this song is, you know, it's a baby making song.
Yeah, एक तो कल Twitter से मुझे पता चला कि there's so much kissing in this song. Suddenly, I'm biting your ear.
But yeah, you've done all this, Pariniti.
I was dying to.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Sorry, you all can. Sorry, आप पूछ रहे थे सर.
किसका मतलब इतना क्रिएटिव आइडिया भी हो गया और आपका काम भी हो गया. वरुण क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
काम भी हो गया मतलब.
What do you say about this, you know? Just joking. I hope you take it on a lighter note.
No, I'm taking it. See, there was a
What
beat.
What will you take? I have taken it.
Of course you have to.
There was that dhadadun. तो मेरे को लगा वो पहले dhadadun पे ऐसा होगा dhadadun and then dhadadun. ऐसा.
नहीं हमने.
नहीं हुआ.
करेंगे बाद में.
No, करेंगे. So आप ये सोचो कि मैं भोली बच्ची, मैंने कहा dhadadun, ये पोज होगा इनमें. बट धड़धड़न में क्या कुछ हो गया है, मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ अभी. बट आई थिंक इट वाज रियली कूल. आई आल्सो अग्रीड विद द आइडिया. सो
creative idea.
It takes two.
Sorry,
yeah. It takes
Sorry,
two.
ma'am.
Hi Varun, hi Pariniti. I'm Astha from Movified. First of all, both of you are looking absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Thank
My
you.
question is for you, Pariniti. Now, so many girls are looking up to you, and there are so many women out there who are conscious of themselves and they are unable to express of themselves because they are, you know, worried about how they're going to look. So, what's your message to the women who want to, you know, do something but they are conscious of their, you know, physical image?
Actually, I've been asked this question so much in the last 1.5 years because, you know, and not only like people like you, but like people, you know, women who are pregnant or they are dealing with post-pregnancy weight or teenagers who are dealing with obesity. All around the world, people, they come up to me and, you know, tell me to tell them my story, you know, and I always tell them this, that I literally am a fat to fit story. I literally am in the most cliched sense, and I've really struggled with my weight all my life. You know, all these guys, they call themselves chubby. I was never chubby. I was really, really big, and I was obese and unhealthy. And I really took it upon myself, and I'm so glad that, you know, some kind of pressure of Bollywood was there for me to really bring myself onto the right path. You know, the amount of stamina, the amount of energy that I have today, I sleep so well, I eat so well. I mean, the fact that I could do this song for 2 days with hardly any food in me, it was because I was really fit. And it's so important for people like this to understand that they just need to be their fittest self. It doesn't matter what size they are. I was big, but I was unfit. I didn't care about my body shape as much as what it was making me feel. So they really need to achieve their fittest self at whatever size they are. Like you see these hip hop dancers in New York, they're so big, but they're so, you know, flexible and agile, and they're so fit. So they just need to go and they just need to look at my pictures, I guess. Just put them on the wall and just be like, if she can do it, we can do it.
You know,
I did that. I
day
did that.
we did this event, fitness event with the female journalists and the media was there. And I mean, I look at y'all and I honestly mean this, you know, because y'all are always in the photographers, the cameramen, even the journalists, sometimes y'all are always hunching and bending in very wrong positions. Y'all should not, the body is not supposed to be like that for long hours. And a lot of y'all have been in this business for a lot of years. And I say this with a lot of love and concern because I've seen my father, so I've seen a lot of y'all with my father's time, you know, कि बहुत लोग मेरे dad को follow करते थे, question पूछते थे. It's not very healthy, I think, the way we conducted. I wish that when we plan events, that we can have more safety and more better barricading for the media, so that there's a section. Because like today also, I think a cameraman गिर गया था ना? He fell down. So I mean, I feel bad because it's dangerous. I just feel now moving ahead as someone who is a young actor, I want to get this in my events that we can get more safety for you guys at least, because it's unfair, I think, otherwise.
Yeah, people actually just think that we starve ourselves and we become thin, you know, but literally all of us, like me, Veeri, or even, you know, Sid, Ranveer, everybody, the boys and the girls now, Alia, Shraddha, like we take care of fitness more than that. And when you take care of your fitness, your body is going to show results. You know, like I got a lot of this that, oh, you just stopped eating and of course anybody is going to become thin out of starvation, but it took me a year and a half to reach here.